Well, these are fun. So this is the 2018 Displacement on Demand 5.3s in the Chevys, Suburbans, Tahoes. So these like to bend push rods, which causes no compression. So if you have a misfire in one of these, on one of the cylinders that is the variable displacement ones, where the lifters look like one of these, and you have zero compression cranking, but you're able to gain compression while running, pop your rocker arm off and see if the push rod's bent. If it is, more than likely, one of these decided to come apart, because that's not supposed to happen. So I'm going to replace both on that cylinder, but they're supposed to stay together. They come apart, bend the push rod, and you got to pull the cylinder head to get the lifters out. Little FYI, in case you got a misfire, you're fighting on one of these, don't put a coil pack in it. It's not going to fix it.